but you still get the opportunity to get your third-party framing inspection. So the reason I walk homes in this stage is people miss this part. And this is actually the most important stages buyers never see. So today we're out in Midline, Webster, Texas, and we're going to be touring this Highland home in the framing stage. So what I see a lot of times is people, they just go to the model home and they never see the home in this stage. So I've put together an article that you're definitely going to want to scan that QR code. If you're watching on the TV, obviously you want to scan it. And I'm also, if you're on your computer, I'll put it down in the comments below. But basically it's the stage that people miss. And a lot of mistakes can be made. The model homes are wonderful and they can look really, really nice. But if you never see the home, the builder, how they build their homes in this stage, you're missing out. So you're going to have to give me a call so I can show you the differences between builder to builder, any neighborhood, anywhere in the Houston area, and you'll be able to decide for yourself what builder is better. So let's take you around this Highland home, and we're going to show you exactly what Highland makes. It's a great product. Let's go. All right, Highland Homes, Midline, Webster, Texas. So I always like to start you off in the front, and this home right now is available. And this is the perfect time to get in to a home if you want a relatively quicker move-in time, because it's pretty much halfway built. But you still get the opportunity to get your third-party framing inspection. And also you can call me and I'll come out here and do a video for you, especially if you're relocating and you need a quick move-in. This would be ideal. All right, so let's show you what Highland's about. The first thing that I'm going to say is OSB, Oriented Strand Board. Interior shear walls, exterior wrapped around the entire home, and you're going to see multiple shear walls in here. But I like to start off in the garage because you've got so much span meaning without any columns supporting it. So you're going to have some massive load-bearing beams. And that yellow material is called Versalam. Yeah, Boise Cascade Versalam. It's a laminated wood material that is glued under super high pressure, and they are extremely strong. So anytime you have a major load-bearing beam here, typically it's going to be holding up the roof, and you can see those going straight up, and you need a lot of support. So there's two of them butted together there. You need at least two, and we've actually got three. 1, 2, 3, and it drops it to the slab. They strap every single one. Exterior. Here's another major load bearing. There's 3 there. It's not the Versalam, regular wood product, but 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Down to the slab. I love Highland Homes. And then of course you got a major span here. You got the Versalam up there. And that's just the garage, folks. Let's just take you around the floor plan. So the reason I walk homes in this stage is people miss this part. And this is actually the most important stages buyers never see. I mean, if I was buying a house, I would want to see it in this stage to see how good or the quality of that builder is. All right, so here's your kitchen. Man, they're about ready to sheetrock this baby. That's a place to hang your cabinets, nail guard, so when they go to hang the sheetrock, it doesn't go through. I don't know why they haven't. There's nothing back there. Anyway, you definitely need one here. and definitely need one there so it doesn't poke through your plumbing lines. That would be bad. Electrical, nail plate. Probably doesn't need one there because it's 1.25 inches in. The construction manager, I just met him, the construction manager for Midline. He's the guy that's going to be building your home. If you're buying a Highland home in Midline, super nice guy. He said, yes, go film the house. Show everybody how well we build homes. Got a nail guard down there, down there. But yeah, super, super cool guy. And you're going to want to have a, you're going to want to have a really good working relationship with the construction manager that's going to be building your home. All right, pop quiz. What is that? I know you guys are watching my videos all the time, so you already know. It's a shear wall, interior OSB. They're gonna shoot it into the ground. Wow, it's doubled up. Super strong. Nice. Super strong. And then they shoot nails into the concrete to nail that down. Here's the rest of that. So this whole part is a shear wall, and there's probably an anchor. Yep, there's a big anchor right down there. And exterior wall, yeah, why not? Let's put an anchor there. Yeah, so the construction manager has been in here. Let's do some things. They've got their own language. Looks like X means they took care of it, or look at this. Anchor, anchor. Yeah, they got their own language, construction language. Give me a thumbs up if you guys are having fun yet. Midline, Highland Homes, Webster, Texas. Yeah, we'll definitely go up there, but, ooh, man, this thing is strong. This is a beautiful floor plan, by the way. I don't know the name of it. I've seen it, I've walked through one that's complete. Boise Cascade. Remember, no columns, you gotta have major support. And it sits on top, and it's holding all that up. So yeah, ooh, that roof goes way up there. So you've got your air conditioning, ductwork. That's the platform for that. All right. So guess what? We have another shear wall. This is interior. I don't know why they put those. What are those? I don't know. Looks like you could put cabinets here also. Cabinet, cabinet, cabinet. Electrical up there. Wait a minute. This is where, oh, it's where your refrigerator goes. That looks like microwave. Micro oven. So you've got your higher voltage, 220, 240, whatever you want to call it, for the microwave. I think. I don't know. And here's where your stove goes. That's the gas line. So what they do with these is that's your natural gas coming into your, or from natural gas into your house anyway. They pressurize it with that right there. They pressurize it with air. Watch that meter. Monitor it, make sure it doesn't drop. If it drops, then you got a leak somewhere and they got to find it and fix it. So they just leave that pressurized. And we're going to show you all of this house. Let's go, there's your utility room. So washer, dryer vent. Goes up to that way, goes outside. You get plenty of nail guards. Nail guard for that vent pipe. Nail guard for that vent pipe. Interesting fact here. They use the water. I don't know if it's got water in it yet, but they've got it set up. Yeah. Anyway, they fill these vent pipes up with water. That goes all the way up. It looks like it snakes. Anyway, it goes up through the roof with a roof jack. It basically helps the water drain down, gravity fed. So you got water draining there, goes in there, gets the P-trap there, and it drains down in to the sewer. But they want to make sure that there's no leaks. They fill it up with water. Pretty cool. So here's the other side of that shear wall. That's the garage. And look at that massive anchor right there. They shoot it into the concrete, and we're gonna have another massive anchor right there. I think we have a front bedroom, a full bath right here, and more OSB. I'm telling him, if you guys want a Highland home in Midline, call me. I will walk one of these with you. Ah, interesting. Haven't seen Highland do that. I've seen another builder, and I'm gonna have to ask the construction manager what it is, but it looks really strong. Steel strong wall. Yeah. I like it. Bonus points for if somebody can count how many times I say shear wall. It's all fun. Yeah, so full bath here. All right, let's go up the stairs. God, it's such a beautiful day. It's the end of March. These are not near as fun in July because it gets really hot, especially up here. But I do this for you guys and to also educate myself. So here's a full bath up here. There's another Versalam down there. And full OSB. And that's your kitchen down there, by the way. Yeah, they are just about ready to sheetrock. This would be the perfect time to get your third-party inspector. I'll come out here with your inspector, look at the report, send it to the construction manager, and they'll fix everything that they need to on the report. Interesting why they did that. I know they put that spray foam on the exterior walls, but maybe they're sealing it from the attic. But they also put it here. It's a different color. I'll have to ask the construction manager what the different color is, so I can tell you on the next video. Yeah, so I know they do the exterior. And what that does is it creates a really good seal when they put the sheetrock up, especially on the corners, because it smashes it and then they nail the sheetrock. They put the insulation, of course, first, but it creates a really tight seal. So step you back here. So this is a kind of a game room central area. You got a bedroom with a full bath. Wow, this is one of their bigger homes in the 45-foot section. Another bedroom. God, the craftsmanship on these homes is incredible. Let me just give you a view. Now that is a view. We are way up here. Yeah, so drain lines, again, remember that probably came from down there somewhere, I don't know. Anyway, it goes straight up there, another drain line there, and it goes up through the roof. Now there's not supposed to be any water in there. They fill it up with water so that they can detect any leaks, so you don't have sewer gases in your house. If they have a leak, then they'll fix it. But anyway, it's all helps the water drain down, gravity fed. But anyway, wanted to show you what those are. Those are basically baffles. They slide those down in there, and you can see that daylight right there, right? That's your soffit vent. So when they put sheetrock here, they'll blow in the insulation, and they want to keep the blown in insulation out of the soffit vents so the air can still come up through the baffles. And there's one right there. James Potenza, your Houston area new construction realtor. I help people relocate to the Houston area or just move across town, and I help you find the best neighborhoods and the best builders in town. But you want to catch the home in this stage, and you want to contact me to show you around and to basically show you why I like certain builders, what builders you should probably look at, what builders you should probably not look at. But I stay very neutral, you know, and let the builder itself and the videos that I do for you guys tell the whole story. So yeah, you want to catch the home in this stage. If you're looking in the Houston area and you're already visiting the model homes, you got to see homes in this stage, and you got to contact me, James Potenza. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.